You are going to love the 2011 Cadillac Escalade. A full-size luxury SUV, the Cadillac Escalade stands for A-list style. Thrilling yet effortless performance combined with advanced luxury and technology that's on the leading edge of the industry makes the Escalade an easy choice and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, backup camera, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, traction control, third row seat, navigation system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, HomeLink garage door opener. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.